गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। वेलकम टू माय चैनल अंजना लाल स्टडी। आज हम लोग एलिफेंट पर ऐसे लिखना सीखेंगे। द एलिफेंट इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑफ ऑल एनिमल्स। ही सीम्स टू बी fearful. He has a long trunk. He has two small eyes, two tusks, two big ears, and a tail. His ears look like hands. The elephant uses its trunk for lifting food to his mouth. The elephant has four thick legs which looks like pillars. He is of two colors, black and white. The elephant is found in forests of India, Burma, China and Africa. He eats branches and leaves of trees, corn, banana, etc. The elephant is a wild animal, but he can be trained to obey man. He is a gentle and harmless, but when he goes mad, he kills people. He can carry heavy loads. He is used for drawing and piling timber. In olden days, elephants were used in battles. Nowadays, they are used in processions. The tusk and bones of an elephant are very valuable. They are used for making many things. It is costly to keep an elephant. Only a rich man can keep an elephant.